how to connect Google Merchant Center to Shopify. So I'm inside the Shopify main page here, and we want to use the search bar to simply search for Google. And this should pop up Google and YouTube free plan available. So just click on here and this will take us to the App Store. So if we scroll down a little bit, then it will tell us that we can connect our store to the Merchant Center to show products across Google. So we just want to install this application. So just give it some time. I've just clicked on install here. It's going to take us through the process and we just want to click on install. And I'm going to show you how we can set this up as well, or explain. So now we have successfully installed the Google Center and we can connect our Google account here. So we just want to click on connect account and it's going to ask us which account we want connected. So I will just connect this one here. And again, this one, continue. And I'm going to allow. So now, as you can see, we have connected our accounts here. And if we scroll down, we will be able to see this option to connect a Google Merchant Center account. So if you have one, you can use this tool to connect it, or you can create a new one, but it will first ask us for some more information here, to which we have to agree and turn on, and we have to fill out all of this information here. But basically, after we have completed this, then we will be allowed to connect a Google Merchant Center account to our Shopify account. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.